Hi there. Now let's see how the tangible elements are actually working with the technology. It doesn't get easier than this. So this is a champion kit. It includes tangible, payment-enabled elements called slings. Each element includes the merchant's personal code and is enabling as a physical point of sale. All of our merchants receive this kit after onboarding the service. So let's unpack it and see what's inside. The kit is accompanied by Sling's booklet, which actually helps micro merchants understand how it works and how to onboard the service. They see some other interesting stuff. These are Sling labels. They include the micro merchant's payment code on a series of adhesive stickers that can be applied anywhere, over products, point of sale, mirrors, and windows. A very useful tool for micro merchants. This tag card is used by merchants in a convenient environment, such as flea markets, conventions, fairs, etc. And last but not least is Sling's bracelet. It's one of the most unique slings in the kit, and it's used by roving vendors, couriers, and merchants that are on the move to easily accept payments. And finally, the Sling's pin. It has no technological use, but it helps our micro merchants exhibit that they are accepting mobile payments. So this was the Champion Kit, and together with Sling's app, this is the Sling service.